As it turns out, AgentOps integrates amazingly well with CrewAI's framework. And in this video, we're going to take a look at 2 CrewAI projects and show how to set them up for monitoring with AgentOps. The first project will be a very simple application that uses a few CrewAI modules. And the second project will be a standard CrewAI application that was generated using the CrewAI CLI. If we look closely at this code, you can see we are building a little markdown validator assistant, aka we're building an agent with one tool, with that one tool being a tool that reads in a markdown file and reports to us if it has any syntax errors. And then after this tool reports the syntax errors back to the agent will then read them out to us or print them out to us in a more friendly manner. Now let's add in AgentOps for monitoring. To use AgentOps, come over to app.agentops.ai and sign up if you haven't already. And come over to the API keys section and copy one of the API keys associated with one of the projects in your account. And let's come back to our project folder and add a .env file. And in this .env file, let's add an entry that reads in all caps, AgentOps_API_key equals, and then paste in the API key that you copied. Now that our API key is set up, let's install AgentOps like so, and come over to the main.py script and add the following lines. At the top, let's import our environment variables. And on line 8, let's import AgentOps and initialize it as well with this auto start session parameter to be false. This will allow us to explicitly specify when we want AgentOps to start and stop tracking our code, which I like. And let's replace lines 73 to 75 with the following code that will wrap our call in a try except clause and AgentOps.startSession and AgentOps.endSession function, as well as mark the session as either successful or failed, depending on the outcome. And now let's run our little CrewAI application again and see what happens. Here you can see AgentOps has printed out a link when it started tracking our application and a link when it stopped tracking our application. And if we open this link, you can see that a bunch of metadata about our session has been recorded to the AgentOps console. Here we can see the tool call to the markdown validation tool, and we can also see the model that was used as well as all of the completion tokens. Okay, so that looked like it worked. Let's take a quick look at this CrewAI project to get a feel for what's going on. So if we pop open this source folder, we can see a config folder inside of it. So here you can see we currently have 2 agents, a researcher and an analyst, and the tasks that we're giving to them are to perform research about a topic and then write a report on said topic. The way that we trigger this application is by calling this run function. And here you can see the topic that we're giving to our agents is AI LLMs. Now let's add in AgentOps for monitoring. Come over to app.agentops.ai and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're signed up, come over to the API keys page and copy one of the API keys associated with one of the projects in your account into the .env file of the CrewAI project. And here is how we add the AgentOps API key. We type in all caps, AgentOps_API_key equals, and then we paste in the API key that we copied. After we have the AgentOps API key added to our project, let's install AgentOps like so, and come over to the main.py script, and we're going to add the following code. At the top, let's import our environment variables like so. And then let's import AgentOps on line 9. And initialize AgentOps like so. And because the homies of CrewAI and the homies of AgentOps are so tight, that's literally all we have to do. They've made it quite easy. Here we can see AgentOps has printed out a link. And when our agents have finished generating this brief, we should see another AgentOps URL printed as well. That gives you a feel for what AgentOps and CrewAI is all about.